What's up, online shoppers? I just ordered myself a new pair of all-weather floor mats. These ones are the Motor Trend FlexTough Performance all-weather floor mats. It's a 3-piece set. One of the cool things about this is it's a pretty versatile set, so you can make it adapt to your vehicle. I drive a Lincoln MKX, and this is the kind of mat that will fit in my vehicle. So let's open these up and see what they look like. Here we go. There you have one of the mats that goes in the front of the vehicle, and they actually are trimmable too. There's some divots here and some cutouts so that if you want to use them in different vehicles, you have the option to customize everything so that it fits exactly suited to your car. The Motor Trend material is branded FlexTough. One of the reasons I picked this is they talk about the fact that this is supposed to be crack resistant and super durable in all kinds of weather conditions. Now, I live in Northern Ontario. It's cold here in the winter time, and there's a lot of mud and salt and sand and water that collects in the bottom of the vehicle. So I want something that's deep enough to catch all of that residue and all that stuff that's coming off our boots and our feet. And I love that this has grooves in here. These grooves are at least a half an inch deep, which I think is pretty awesome because it's going to be a really good reservoir for collecting all that stuff and preventing it from getting into the floor of my vehicle. The other thing that's cool about these is they are also supposed to resist warping even at extreme temperatures, and it does get pretty cold here sometimes. It has been, like last winter, it hit minus 40 degrees Celsius. That's cold. Another cool thing about the back is that it has a non-skid bottom, because there's nothing more annoying than floor mats that slide around all over when you put them in place. These ones here actually have these little spikes that are going to dig into the upholstery of your floor, you know, the carpet, and hold them in place really well, and I like that. Now here's an up-close look at the ridges and all of the grooves that are here for capturing the snow and the water. As well, the material is really nice and flexible. Like you can see, it's definitely going to conform to whatever the floor of my vehicle is, but it does feel tough and sturdy. I think we're going to get really good use out of these. And I know sometimes too, when you buy something like this to put in your vehicle, there's that really pungent, overwhelming smell that can happen, but the smell of these, honestly, it just smells like rubber, and I don't think that that's going to be an issue. Now, if you want to look at the back seat mat, here it is. I'll stretch it out for you. It's right there. It's got a nice little yoke that'll go over that raised bump in the back of your seat. And then again, there's also trimmable options here that you can customize it to the back of whatever vehicle you are putting it in. They are flexible. They're not super heavy, although they feel heavy duty. And there are some really nice deep grooves inside of them here for capturing the water and the snow. If you take a look at the back of them, you can see that the back of the back seat mat also has really nice grips for holding it in place, not moving or slipping around in the back of your vehicle. Now, the thing about these mats is I've purchased them before. Basically purchase these for any vehicle we have. I like the value of them. They aren't super expensive. I love the construction of them. They've got super deep grooves that capture all of the stuff that falls off our boots and the things that come off the paws of our pets. And I love how resilient they have been. In my other vehicles, purchased sets of these, and they're still as great as the day I bought them. They haven't chipped, they haven't flaked, they haven't cracked and split. They have definitely sustained the test of time. Overall, if you are looking for something that's going to upgrade your car's floor protection, Motor Trend mats are where it's at. If you live somewhere with challenging weather like I do, you really are going to care if you get something that is value-based and delivers in time and longevity, and these mats definitely do all those things. They've maintained their flexibility, they do a great job of keeping everything off the floor, they're easy to take out and clean, and they're reasonably priced. If you are looking for a set of floor mats for your vehicle, these FlexTough from Motor Trend are absolutely awesome. We always buy them, and they're a family favorite at our house.